how to create your perfect Zen, writing, yoga, or just general relaxation space. 1. Start with the nook of your house that isn't used by many other people. This might be a corner in your room, this might be an entire room, but it's important to carve out a space that's just for you. 2. Fill it with things that make you happy. I recommend plants and pets. As you can see, I've put many a plant in here, most of them focusing on air quality and purity and just looking nice. I've also put in a cat tower, some food dishes, and a secret hiding bed for the sheets. Make it sound nice. We have this water bowl, and I also have a fish tank just outside of the room so that it gives it a nice sound. Light it well. Give it something inspirational, something cozy that makes you in the mood to write or relax or whatever you need the space for. Then really make it cozy by adding pillows and blankets and rugs. Just use the space for you, for your task, for your writing, for your yoga, for whatever you need to do. Clean up after yourself. Make it your sanctuary. If you don't have a side table, it'll be easy not to leave stuff in the room. Well, this is what I did to make this room into my perfect little writing space. There are many other ways to dress up your space. As long as you have somewhere to make yours, it'll be fine. So use this space as inspiration, but don't get too down about not having a whole room to yourself. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.